Okay, so we're about to check out this M550 dash cam. A brand sent me this to make a video over, so I'm going to be showing you guys how to set it up today and how to use the app. Okay, inside the box we have a couple wire guides, a piece to get the SD card out of the thing, out of the camera, and we have our power wire, we have our rear camera, and we have the mount that slides into it. We have the cigarette lighter adapter if you need it. And then the camera itself, of course. That's what the camera looks like. And what we're going to be doing here, so you can see this piece slides right into that. So that is how we're going to install this onto the dash, or onto the windshield, sorry. Right here. It's a little crooked, but that's alright. It does come with these anti-static pieces that you're supposed to put onto the dash itself. I'm not too worried about that, but make sure, because this video is just for demonstration purposes, but make sure that you use these and put this on your windshield first, and then onto this to prevent ESD. So I've already downloaded the app on my other phone, and we're going to go ahead, power this thing up, and go ahead and slide it in. We're going to power it up and get connected to the app. Okay, so I have the power cable plugged into the USB that's installed into my truck. Okay, so the power cord is actually on the top of the little piece right here. So I have the power cord plugged into the USB-C that's installed in my vehicle. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in there. And I'm also going to install the rear camera, which is on the side here. I'm going to hit English, OK, time zone, change the date, format the card. You can see the front of the dash cam here looking at the front. You can see there's a little side view that shows or a little mini square that shows the rear. You can see there. I actually have it upside down, but you can still see that it is actually very, very clear. Even on this screen, it's very clear. This arrow, this down arrow takes a picture. This left up arrow will switch between the views. That's front camera with a little screen, just the front camera, just the rear camera, and then back to the front with a small screen as the rear. And that's pretty much, I think, how you would be riding around with it all the time. Then you can go to your mode here. Playback mode, you have your parking monitor, G sensor, which is going to detect whether or not, some G forces were put into the vehicle, whether it be you get rear-ended or something like that. You got your GPS, your camera pictures, your Wi-Fi, which is what we're about to do now. And go ahead and go to our Wi-Fi, hit OK, and we're going to go to, I'm going to put it on 2.5G because that's what my phone connects to. Now we're going to hit mode, and now I'm going to pull up the app. Now that I have the app pulled up, you see the Wi-Fi comes up, and it gives you the default password in the instructions. I'm going to put that in. Okay, so now that I have that in, hit always connect, and now we are connected directly to the camera. You can go to check real-time video, and as you can see, that's the front of the dash cam. You see it's getting dark at night, and I like showing these at night because it's easy. All dash cams are going to be easy to see during the day, but the better ones are going to be the ones that you can see while it's dark as well. So that's why I like showing this stuff during the dark, just to kind of test out the abilities of the dash cam. And I can take a picture just in case there's something that I want to take, and that got saved to the card on the dash cam itself. And then switch mode, switch camera, sorry. We're going to go to switch camera, and you can see, like I said, I accidentally installed it upside down out there, but you can see that the rear camera can see it at night as well. And all it had to do is flip it upside down out there. I'm just trying to get it so you guys can see it before it gets too dark. But yeah, I can take a picture of this as well. Or audio, sorry. You can turn off and on the audio recording if you don't want audio being recorded. And you can also, as you can see here, you can change the video resolution. Then you're going to go to stop recording first, dashcam albums, and then you can go in here and play back the videos that you want. So you can see that was me just now speaking, and you can hear the audio clearly. You can see, and then you hit download and download this video to your phone. So I'm going to go ahead and hit download. It's going to be downloading it straight from the card on the dash cam to my phone. So that's everything pretty much that you need to know about this dash cam. It's pretty simple. It does what it needs to. It's going to be recording everything you have, and you can easily take these videos off the dash cam if you need to use them in another situation. I'm Jace. I'll see you next time.